Biboon Mino Waabanoowiwin, Wiigwaaskinaga nekea. Boon dibikate gijik, wikwamkum nekea. So those two words, the first one I explained was Biboon Mino Waabanoowiwin. Biboon being winter. Mino is a word that means good, or actually in combination with another word would mean happy, merry, whatever. And Waabanoowiwin is a word to describe that time of year when the earth is covered, being a lot of times before global warming, it was covered with snow. So that would be like a blanket of snow covering all the life that's gone. That part of the season is changing. It's being covered now. And the solstice, it's a description of the winter solstice. The winter solstice being a specific time when the day is very, very short and the night is very, very long. That's the time when the seasons change. So this is how we describe it. And it's a time of celebration. We remember a lot of our ones that have gone on. We think about the upcoming season. Seasons that, in the old days, it was a tough time of year. We knew we had to make sure that all of it, the big Jesus, all of those times, that it's a long night, and we needed to make sure that we were warm, and that that's a time when we would tell a lot of our adsoke. That's when our stories would come out at that time. We'd be telling a lot of stories during this time of year. And so we look forward to this being the longest night and the shortest day. We look forward to the coming days when it's getting the days get longer. And we're coming out, we're right into the Biboon, that season of Biboon. But this is the day that marks that change from Digwage, from fall. Now we're going into Biboon. So, and Dibikate Gijik, Dibikate Boon, Dibikate describes, Dibik is the night, Dibikate, when the night, it's the season, the day when it has so much night there, Dibikate Gijik. So the Biboon, again, that word describes winter. So that time when there is so much night, that would be Biboon, Dibikate Gijik. That's the day that this happens. So this is another word. The first one I said was Wiigwaaskinaga nekea, or Biboon Mino Waabanoowiwin. That's how it's described in Wiigwaaskinaga. And our friends, our neighbors in Wiigwaaskinaga, they describe that as Boom Dibigate Gijik. Now,